Hi guys, Manav here and I welcome you all to the channel. So this is yet another beautiful day spent in the outdoors. This video is going to be all about the Kedarkantha Speed hike. We are a group of 2 individuals and the aim is to go all the way up to the peak and back down to the village of Sankri. Weather forecast said that it is going to snow today, so therefore instead of sitting in the village, we thought of giving this peak an attempt. So to keep getting such awesome views and to know more about this hike, stay tuned. The peak that is in the center of the screen is known as the Leka peak, and I think it is a very good alternative to Kedarkantha if you don't want to be at a place which is very commercial. Now we are here on November 25th, 2020. So the season is yet to kickstart and all these makeshift dhabas would soon open up. But if you start really early morning, then you have a peaceful trail to walk on, even though the trek is the most commercial winter trek in India. So the first landmark or dhabas where you could just take a break is at 2478 meters, and at 8500 feet we have a little bit of snow as of now on November 25th, 2020. We are 5 minutes away from the Uttarkashi lab, but then this is the designated campsite. You can see tents being pitched all over the place. This is the Uttarkashi lab and it took us 1 hour 40 minutes and it is at a distance of 4.44 kilometers from the Sankri village. Now as the temperatures goes down in the month of December and January, you'll see that the whole lake will soon get frozen. Now we are again trying to just speed hike the trek. We are walking at a constant rhythmic pace, enjoying the landscape. So guys, you could see some tents in the frame. This is the Kedarkantha base camp. It took us 2 hours 27 minutes. 6.11 kilometers is the Kedarkantha base camp from the starting point, that is the village of Sankri. So now soon the forest section would end up and there will be a big open section just before the peak. So entry of the visitor inside the sanctuary and national park are at their own risk. Sanctuary and national park management will not be responsible for any kind of damages. Sweet. We're still some 2 kilometers away. It's super peaceful, beautiful. Yay! So now we can have a clear glimpse of the peak. That's Kedarkantha, 12,500 feet, 1.5 kilometers away. Now since we are here in the last week of November, The trekking season hasn't started yet, so these makeshift shelters are not occupied, and this is the last shelter that you get before the peak. You'll have good food, lots and lots of resources. So this is how the weather actually turns bad. Yourself, be confident. Food. Hold. Chalo bhai. So I think that we'll grab some food so that we could get good energy to climb up the last section. It is still 1.3 kilometers away. So that was a quick lunch. We are left with 2 parathas, which are like we can have them on the way down. We're adding one more layer. Yep. So now we have 2 layers of wind cheater. Whenever you feel cold, you should definitely just layer up. 11:32. Let's see how it goes. Just a kilometer left, but the weather is turning really scary. The clouds are almost here. So we have very few people coming back now. I think we're the last ones going up. Climbing up steeply. Yeah. Trek partner Naveen catching up. Beautiful slopes, guys. Let's do this. Yay. Finally, we can see the other side of the valley. Beautiful mountain peaks, guys. Amazing landscape. Wow. That's the peak. 20 minutes away. Come on. So can you spot Naveen right there, climbing up? Strong spirits. We're at the peak. So guys, 5 hours 52 minutes and 11.5 kilometers. Finally, we're on the top of the Kedarkantha peak. Yay! So yeah, this is the final point. Made it to the peak!
Yeah! Last section, what of it?
Nice.
Yeah!
Chalo. We are done. Starting back at 1 PM in the afternoon. Now we'll be going back the same way. Guys, always remember, whenever you're starting a trek, just reaching to the summit is not important. Reaching back home out of the base village safe and sound is something that you should look for. So descent, be very careful. Take care of your knees. Do it gradually, slowly. Whew. This is fun. I am not going that way. Okay, so we go standing and down and ski and down and ski and down. Now guys, this is what basically creates a setting for a whiteout. So you need to be very careful. You have to be very confident about the trail, that you know that even if fog covers the whole valley, you will be able to cross this section. So now the peak is completely covered in snow. What a beautiful, beautiful window we had that we just went in, and we are able to descend now. Super lucky. And this is not snowfall, guys. This is just snow that is being kicked off from the slopes by the wind. This gives a strong signal that just leave this landscape as soon as possible. Yep, the wind is stopped. Has become so silent. Yay, so we are back at the huts, leaving behind a beautiful landscape and the Kedarkantha peak up there. What a day. Now I just how can I just stop recording this? Wow, what a day, guys, what a day. So I've descended down. We are pretty safe. There's nobody on the trail. Now you could see that my whole jacket is completely filled with snow, and this is a warm jacket. This is not a wind cheater. And since I know that I will be able to do this trek in a single day, even if this thing gets wet at the end of the day, I will be fine. So this is the reason why I use warm layers even at times for hiking. But yes, I was definitely carrying a wind cheater with me in case if the speed of the winds would have crossed beyond my introspection. 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon, guys, and we're at the so-called base camp. Yep. So after a quick bite, we just had the remaining parathas and a cup of tea to keep our body warm. The time is 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and now we will go down to जुड़ा का तालाब and then all the way down to Sankri.
अभी वेदर पूरा पैक हो गया है और अब स्नोफॉल स्टार्ट हुआ है. अभी भी जो स्नो फ्लेक्स आ रही हैं वो इस स्नोफॉल में 30 to 40% है. आधे एक घंटे के बाद ये पूरा फ्लेक से भर जाएगा, स्नो फ्लेक से, और फिर स्नोफॉल होगा 2 to 3 days. इट्स हैवी स्नोफॉल. ये 2 दिन तक नहीं रुकेगा.
नहीं रुकना चाहिए, हमको बर्फ चाहिए. ग्लेशियर पिघल रहा है. वाओ. एक्सक्यूज मी. थैंक यू. We have reached Juda ka Talab, and this is a scary maze of, there's a footprints of mules and horses.
ये जूड़ा का तालाब है, एक छोटी सी झील है. यहाँ पे भगवान शिव थे, मेडिटेशन करने के लिए आए थे. उस टाइम उन्होंने तपस्या की थी, इसलिए इस जगह का नाम केदारकांठा पड़ा है. और उनके जूड़े में से पानी की बूंद निकली थी जिससे ये तालाब बना है, इसलिए इस तालाब का नाम है जूड़ा का तालाब.
Happy snowfall, everybody!
मौसम बन नहीं रहा.
Amazing. Oh, we don't feel like leaving this place now, but then yeah, we have to. Now as you are getting down, the snowfall is reducing, Yep, we have reached the last dhaba on the trail. Another 30 minutes and we'll be in the base village. Yeah, speed hiking is not only our sport. Yeah, descent is almost done. We can now see the village. Whew, the weather is still holding up. Done for the day. The time right now is 5:20 p.m. in the evening. It has been 10 hours 30 minutes. I think we started at 6:45. What an amazing hike. The total distance around 23 kilometers with a little bit of lost along the way. Again, I'll leave the link to the Strava route in the video description. If you want to follow the same trail, you definitely could. So guys, this is all I had for this video. I hope that you would have liked the Kedarkantha Speed hike. If you have any questions related to this trek or best month to do it and how you could do it, then please drop your queries in the comment section below and I promise you a prompt reply. The sun is setting, the day is end, and it was an amazing day in the outdoors. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.